If you didn't know yet, you can actually create a QR code in Affinity. You can do this in Vector Studio, Pixel Studio, and Layout Studio. Now let's try it in Vector Studio. I delete this first. To create a QR code, you go to the Shape tool, then select the QR code tool. Draw it on the canvas. I align it to the center. From here, you can customize the color, maybe red, purple, or even a gradient if you want something more interesting. Next, to add data to the QR code, open the Data panel. In the pop-up window, you can choose the data type such as text, URL, phone number, SMS, email, and more. For this example, I'll select URL and enter the link to my YouTube channel. Then click OK. Once it's done, export the QR code. I'll use JPEG for this example. And that's it. My QR code is ready to use. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.